This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box in the Waterfox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Waterfox web browser opened up now. To enable or disable the Always Ask Where to Save Files dialog box, by default yours is probably disabled. I have mine enabled, and what it does is, if I go to download something, I'll click on Save File, and a dialog box opens up asking me where I want to save this file to. I can change the download destination, then I would click on Save. But to enable this feature, it's very easy to do. You want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, I am on the General tab, and you want to scroll down the center pane to where you see the download section right here, and right here Always Ask Where to Save Files. If this is not checked, that dialog box will not pop up, and it will save to whatever your download destination is here. You can always change your default download destination by clicking on Browse and choosing a different folder. But to enable that feature, Always Ask Where to Save Files, to where you can choose where to save each file, you want this to be checked. Thanks for watching.